Hello guys, and welcome back to the SolidWorks tutorial. This is part 3 of the SolidWorks task. In the previous parts I have demonstrated how to make this steps model and the pin model on SolidWorks. Now this is the third part in which we are going to assemble them together. So open SolidWorks. You have to press new for a new file. This time you will go for assembly. Press OK. Now it will ask you what parts you want to assemble. So on desktop I already have my two parts available, which is the pin and steps. Click them holding the control key on the keyboard so that you can select more than one file. Then press open, and then you will see both the files are appearing here, and it is also hovering with your mouse. Click here on the page, so both the parts are now in front of you. Now this pin has to be fitted into this hole, and this option is called mate in SolidWorks. So you have to tell SolidWorks which surface is going to mate with which surface on the other part. So we know from our drawing that the pin, the head of the pin, the lower part of the surface of pin head is going to mate with this top surface of the steps, and the extended part of the pin is going to mate with the whole of the step. So that we have to tell to SolidWorks to do it like that. So I'm going to press this surface. It is selected and it is highlighted as blue. Now press the control button on your keyboard and then click this surface. So these two blue surfaces, we want to mate them together. So go to assembly option now, and this is the mate option. Click that. So it is going to mate both of them together. Okay, so you can see it is going to mating them together, but it is still not done yet because we have other two parts to be mated. Okay, so let's press OK for this. Okay, now this pin, press, so it is selected and it is highlighted as blue. Press the control button on keyboard so that you can select the other part. So this hole which is cut through, you need to select that. Make sure you are pressing the control button on keyboard. Now both of them, they are aligned together, so I'm pressing OK because they are already being mated. Okay, so now your SolidWorks software has successfully assembled both the parts together as we wanted. Now when you draw any drawing on SolidWorks, sometimes it is not going to make the front face because our front view is this one. So sometimes the SolidWorks is making it the other way around because we just selected the front plane and we just draw our parts like that. So if you want to see which is the front view of this part, so you need to press the space bar on your keyboard, and it is going to show you which one is the front view and which one is the, so this is the front view. So this is the front view as per the SolidWorks, but you know that we don't want this as our front view. Okay, so you can see all the views. This is the top view. Okay, this is the, so this view we want as the front view. Okay, so you can do that easily. You can change the front view. Okay, so as of now the front view is the bottom part, but we want this surface to be our front view. So select this, press normal 2. Okay, Now press the space bar. This pop-up menu will appear. Now look at this option. Okay, a telescope with arrow signs. Update standard views. Click this. Okay, and this view which is now in front of you, we want to make it a front view. So this is the front view in the middle. Click that. So it is asking you, it will change the orientation. So we will press yes. So now this is our front view. Go to the isometric. This is the isometric option. You have other option as well, but we will just stick to the isometric. So now this is your isometric view. So with this, your assembly drawing is completed. Now save as assembly. You can write pin steps assembly and write your name so that you can identify your file. Press save it on desktop. So the third part of the SolidWorks task is done. Thank you.